I was going to do a cute little introduction, but my son saying what he said to me during this video is just too funny not to share.
Why you don't make grilled cheese no
Why is
more? No,
that? Why are you thinking about grilled cheese? That was so random. Like, that was just too funny to me because we was literally sitting there chilling while I was doing my makeup. He was on the other side of the room playing his game, but why would you ask me for a grilled cheese in the middle of me filming? Anyway, this look came out so good. This was like a really quick, I just wanted to do a little bit of eyeshadow to go with this lipstick because I wanted to try it out since it's new. I'm very obsessed with this formula. Like, it is so good. I'm going to go back and get a couple more. Like, y'all, if you have not tried this, please go get it because it's really good. Like, the way it turned out, the color, the finish, the formula, the way it feels on my lips, like, and it lasts all day. Like, I literally had to take it off with a makeup wipe. I'm just saying, go get it.